Greetings, I'm Mrs. Lyons and this is Chemistry from the Lion's Den. Today's topic is dimensional analysis. So we're going to start out with a very basic single step conversion, and we will work our way through some more complex conversions as we go. Okay, let's start with a simple one-step conversion. Convert 55.8 gallons to liters. So our given is 55.8 gallons. What we're looking for is the number of liters, and our conversion factor is 1 gallon is equal to 3.78 liters. So we're always going to start with our given. Okay, so we've got 55.8 gallons over 1. Our next conversion is going to need to have gallons on the bottom so that the gallons cancel out, which then means you're going to put the 3.78 liters on the top. And like I said, this will have our gallons cancel out. If we multiply 55.8 times 3.78, our calculator will give us 1.555 continuing. We do need to think about significant figures. Our given has 3 significant figures, so our answer will have 3 significant figures and be 1.56 liters. All right, so let's try one that's a little bit more complex. Mrs. Lyons loves to take her puppies on a walk every day after school. If she walks 2.75 kilometers, how many feet does she walk? So again, our given in this case is 2.75 kilometers. Our unknown is the number of feet. We're going to have 2 conversion factors. We're going to use 1 kilometer is equal to 0.621 miles, and 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. Now, the key to using dimensional analysis is using your units to set up the problem to know what goes on the top and what goes on the bottom of each step. So we start with 2.75 kilometers over 1. And then we need our next conversion factor. So since kilometers is on the top here, we will want kilometers on the bottom. So we'll use 1 kilometer is equal to 0.621 miles. Okay, so if we have it set up right, our kilometers, our units will cancel and leave us with miles. So now we need to get from miles to feet. So we're going to put in another conversion factor. This time, since miles is on top, we want our conversion to have miles on the bottom and then feet on the top. So again, the miles cancel out, leaving us with a unit of feet. So if we multiply through across the top, what we're going to get is 9,016.92 feet. Our given has 3 significant figures, so our answer can only have 3 significant figures. So our answer is going to be 9,020 feet. All right, let's try a very complex one. Okay, you'll notice that this has not only multiple steps, but it also has more complex units. Okay, so a car travels at 55 miles per hour. What is this in kilometers per second? So let's see what we've got. We start out with 55 kilometers per hour. We're looking for meters per second. So let's think about what we need to convert. Okay, we need to convert kilometers to meters, and then we need to convert kilometers to miles, and then we're going to convert hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. So we'll start with our given, 55 miles per hour. So we're going to put 55 miles over 1 hour. That's how you write this complex conversion factor. All right, and we're going to start by, I'm going to start by converting my miles to meters. Okay, first I have to convert it to kilometers. So 0.621 miles is equal to 1 kilometer. Miles cancel out, okay, leaving us with kilometers. Now we need to convert from kilometers to meters. So since kilometers is on the top of my conversion factor here, I'm going to bring it down diagonal So kilometers is on the bottom, so it will cancel out. And 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the third meters. Okay, so our kilometers then cancel out. Now, if I were to solve this problem right now, my units would be meters per hour. But remember, our problem asked us for meters per second. So now I'm going to convert hours to seconds. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to set up my conversion factor. This time, since hours is on the bottom, we want hours to be on the top of our conversion factor. And 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So hours cancel out. All right, our last step is going to be to go from minutes to seconds. So again, I've got minutes on the bottom. I'm going to put minutes on the top so that those units cancel out. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Our minutes cancel out. So our units, what's left is meters per second. So if I plug this into my calculator, I am going to get 3,600 meters per second. Now, this one's a little bit interesting in terms of sig figs because I need to have 3 significant figures in my answer. To write 3,600 with 3 significant figures, what we're going to do is we're going to put it into scientific notation. So we know that when we have a decimal, trailing zeros count as significant. So our answer is going to be 3.60 times 10 to the third meters per second. So I hope that helps you kind of see the process of dimensional analysis. Have an excellent day. Take care of yourselves.